How to fix Netflix your payment is pending problem. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. If you are facing this issue, that is the payment is pending, you can easily resolve it by changing your payment method. So if you don't know how you can launch a Netflix application, if you have it download in your device, or you can head over and search for netflix.com. Once you sign in into your account, you need to check out the three horizontal line which will be visible in your top left corner. Once you click on it, head over to the account option. There you will see the option of payment method or manage payment information. You need to click on the given option. So over here you will have various of payment method that you can select from. That would be your PayPal or your debit or credit card. If you are currently using a PayPal and you get the notice your payment is pending, you can easily switch into your debit or credit card. Just enter the details about your card, then go ahead with the payment, and I bet the issue will be solved. Also make sure that during the payment process, if you are connected to a VPN, make sure to disable it. Then move forward with the payment. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.